Just in case you and your spouse were to die, you've named your sister Susan and her husband Bill to be legal guardians of your minor kids. Without doing more, you've just made a big mistake, which we're going to talk about right now. Hey guys, Elliott Feldman here, estate planning attorney at the Elliott Feldman Law Group, where we create estate plans that actually work when your loved ones need it most. If you ever have any questions about this topic or need to talk about your estate planning needs, you can schedule a time to talk with me over the phone for free by going to myestatemeeting.com. A big mistake parents make when naming legal guardians for their kids is that they name a couple in their will to serve as guardians without considering what happens if one person in that couple dies. So let's go back to our scenario where you are parents of minor kids and you've named your sister Susan and her husband Bill to be guardians of your kids in your will. So that just in case if you and your spouse were to die and be survived by your minor children, then Susan and Bill would be legally able to raise your kids until they turn 18. Now, this is where many parents accidentally make a mistake because they fail to consider the scenario. If my sister Susan dies, do I really want Bill raising my kids? Well, if your lawyer wasn't thinking things through and drafted your plan, which happens more often than you think, that might be what happens. So now Bill is raising your kids and he may not even want to raise them all by himself, but now he feels an obligation to do so, right? And that's not what we want to have happen. You want someone that is truly going to want to raise the kids and that shares your values and parenting priorities. That's why you'd want to have one guardian named along with two backups and to consider if you want a couple to only serve jointly so that if one of them were to die, then the kids should be raised by a successor guardian that you've named. Now, for more information on how to pick the right guardians for your minor kids, please check out my video, How Parents Can Choose the Right Guardians for Their Minor Kids in 4 Easy Steps. Hey, thanks so much for taking the time to watch this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notifications bell next to it to be notified for new videos I post each week. And if you like it, then please hit the like button. And if you know someone that needs to hear this, please share it with them. If you have a question or comment, please leave it. And if you ever have any questions about this topic or need to talk about your estate planning needs, you can set up a time to talk with me over the phone for free by going to myestatemeeting.com. That's myestatemeeting.com. Again, this is Elliott Feldman, estate planning attorney at the Elliott Feldman Law Group, where we create estate plans that actually work when your loved ones need it most. Take care.